Good morning everyone, welcome to my channel, welcome to today's video. This is an interesting video and it's one of a kind. So I'm going to share with you how I cook my pap. This is a traditional food mainly in Africa. In the most of Africa we do really eat this with meat and other relish that you would want or that you would prefer. So today I'm going to share with you how I cook it and why we do it like that. So join me and please subscribe to this channel. If you just knew, my name is Elizabeth and I really do appreciate your support and I appreciate you time of being on my channel. So first of all, you are going to boil the water because it really needs a boiling water. You need to boil your water. After boiling it, we are going to use a spoon which is wooden and made with some hooks of wires, and that spoon is used to smash all the bubbles that could be made. But because the water is boiling, it's very rare to have some bubbles made from maize, and you're going to use the maize of your choice. Right now I am using Ace maize meal, and few minutes down the line the water is boiling. Then you are going to measure your maize meal accordingly. We first make a soft porridge so that it can bubble up. This is how we mix the water with the maize meal so that we can turn it into a soft porridge. And this is the spoon that I was talking about. Comment down below if you know it in English. I don't know it in English. It's a wood with a wooden stick with wires that helps smash all the bubbles that could be made from maize meal. This is what I'm talking about. You see it's bubbling up. That's where you wait for a few minutes so that you can go and make it harder. And the harden, it's of your choice. You make it hard of your own choice. I like it medium hard, not hard, so that it can be, when it's cold, it can be easily eatable also. So I'm just gonna go ahead and turn it over until it is soft and tender. It has to be shining, guys. Now I'm just adding this information. The clip is lost. You are going to cover it, and few minutes later you are going to turn it over just to bring the one that is down, you bring it over on top. Yeah, and the reason why we are doing these balls of pap is for us to be able to just take it without any hassle and put it in the plate and start eating. It makes life easier for the next person to just pick up a ball, or you can divide it into halves depending on the size of the pap that you want. So this is how we make it here in South Africa, parts of South Africa, some provinces. Not every province are doing this. I'm living in Limpopo, and in Limpopo we do this. I believe most of the areas in Limpopo, they do balls of pap, and it makes life easy for the next person to just pick it up. And it leaves the pot clean. In case the pap is not finished, you can put it somewhere nicely so and wash your pot again. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah, do subscribe if you haven't. I love you so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. After putting this thing here, when it cools off, I will bring it back to the pot so that it can be covered nicely for the next person to come and dish up and enjoy. We do, let me say, I eat pap almost every day, maybe 5 times in a week. I love pap, and this is the African common dish that is always prepared, and I love you so much. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for liking. I will see you in my next video. In this one, I'm just showing you how easy is it to share, how easy is it to dish up. Bye.